Hey gamers! Are you ready to experience a new way to play? Introducing the Nintendo Switch console with Gray Joy-Con. This console features a stunning 6.2-inch active matrix TFT color LCD with a crystal clear resolution of 1280 by 720, making your gaming experience immersive. It's not just about playing at home. Enjoy thrilling single and multiplayer gaming wherever you are. Whether at home or on the go, this system allows for unprecedented video gameplay styles. Powered by NVIDIA graphics, with 4 GB of memory and Bluetooth support, the Nintendo Switch offers fluid gameplay and seamless connectivity. You can grab this amazing console for just $223. But hurry, there are only 11 units left in stock. With a solid 3.5 out of 5 stars rating from over 205 reviews, the Nintendo Switch is a favorite among gamers. Discover for yourself. If you're impressed and ready to dive into the gaming world with the Nintendo Switch, make sure to check the link in the description below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews. Like this video if you enjoyed it.